Yeah, guys, good evening. How are we doing? How was our day? So, welcome to this video on how to use TradingView on your phone to analyze the market. For example, you're out and then you saw an opportunity on the market, and then you are not with your laptop, and then you just want to take the trade, but you don't know how to actually analyze it and then know how much you want to risk or stuff like that. That is when you need your phone by downloading TradingView on your phone so you can trade on the go. But note this, it's not every time you should be trading. Note that not every time you should be trading. As a forex trader, the more you trade, the more you lose. The lesser you trade, the more you become profitable. That's the key. So let's get to my TradingView, and I'm just going to show you the basic step on how to use TradingView on your phone, and then the next video will be how to use it on your laptop, those that have a laptop, because it's better to actually analyze it with your laptop because you are going to have a brighter, a bigger view to analyze the market. So let's go. This is TradingView. As you've seen, I've clicked on it, and this is how it looks like. Let me make it like this. Okay, so this is how it looks like. As you can see, under GB, you can see this is the currency pair GBP card. If you just click on it, you see how all the currency pair are coming out. So for example, I want to go to gold. This is gold. This is gold. You can see it's very hard. If you are using phone, it's very hard. So now, for example, I want to analyze this market and I want to long for it. I want to click on long. All I just have to do is, you can see these tools here. On your own, you might not see it there. All you just have to do is click on these three lines. When you click on it, it's going to show all the tools that you have already. Or if you are not seeing it, all you just have to do is click here. All you just have to do is to click tools. Let's click on menu. On phone is very hard. As you can see, on phone is very hard. So you just come to your chart. When you are on your chart and then you want to buy, like you want to long, all you just have to do is look for a long position. This is a long position. All these tools, I will have to explain it to you one by one, but if you want me to explain it one by one for you, that means you have to pay one-on-one class. That is when I'm going to tell you exactly what each tools are meant for. Not all the tools that we are going to be using. As you can see, these are all the tools that I'm using, plus this one, my Fibonacci, arrow marker, and path. Those are all the tools I used to analyze the market. I'm a technical analysis, so I don't really use I don't really use indicators. I use my trend lines. I don't use indicators. I use technicals, top-down analysis. That is my strategy. So now I just want to long. All I just have to click on is my long tool, and then I place it. As you can see, I have placed it, and then I'm telling the market that when it comes to, this is my stop loss. As you can see, this is stop loss, and then I'm telling him that I want to aim to this recent high, as you can see, and that is how I'm just going to go to my MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, any of them that you are using, and then where it said stop loss, all I just have to do is go there and see where the stop loss is. This is the stop losses. All I just have to do is on my MetaTrader 5, I just have to go and put there is 2502 as my stop loss, and then as my TP, all I just have to do is put 2529 as my take profit. So that is how to analyze and put your buy or short position when you want to trade the market. So that is just little on how to analyze the market. As I said, if you want one-on-one, just DM me. I'm going to teach you how to perfectly use TradingView, all the tools necessary for you to use TradingView. I'm going to give it to you one-on-one class. So it's not really expensive. My one-on-one class is just $30. If you are interested, $30 lifetime. You're going to have access to my course and then one-on-one teaching. It's me once in a week, 1 hour once in a week. You're going to have it until you are okay, and that is it. So guys, that is how to analyze the trade. And if it is also down position you want to do, like you want to do down position, all you just have to do is pick on the down position and then click on it. As you can see, it has turned upside down. My stop loss is now up while my TP is now down, and that's how I'm just going to take the position, you see. So that's just how to use TradingView on your phone. Don't forget, you have to, when you get to TradingView on your phone, you go to chat. When you click on chat, you will see your analysis, like you see the peers analysis. Then you just go to the pair that you want, the currency that you want to analyze. This is BTC USD. You just go to it, and this is the time. I can see I am in 1 hour candle. If I want to click on it, I can say okay, I want 1 hour, I want 4 hours. As you can see now, I'm in 4 hours candle. I want 1 day, I'm in 1 day. I want 1 month, I'm in 1 month. As you can see it's very small. So that is how each candle form. Each candle is 1 month that form. That is how it is in little time as well. Let's see, I want to go for 5 minutes. As you can see, 5 minutes is very rough. As you can see, so that is how it is on TradingView. So nothing more, nothing less. The whole thing about idea, there is nothing you need to know about it. It's just about all the difference. If you are new, you don't need to go to all this explore. You don't need to go there. All you just have business with is your chart, where you are going to analyze the market. TradingView is very advanced. It's very advanced. But if you want, as I said, one-on-one coaching, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about TradingView. So that's it for this. The updated version of this will be on my laptop, because I know most of my students, them might not have a laptop yet. That is why I just do this on phone, to tell them that they can actually analyze the markets with their phone as well. So it does not really mean that you should have a laptop before you start trading. You can analyze it on your phone, but it will not actually give you a better view. As you can see here, it will not give you a better view. So guys, that is just it.